Welcome to NPM Tech. Cool inventions for your garage. 3-ton rapid pump. This red heavy-duty 3-ton jack gets vehicles almost 2 feet off the ground. Extra low profile reaches under most show cars. Dual piston rapid pump technology lifts most workloads in just 3 half pumps. Super tough precision welded construction with an industrial grade finish, industrial quality for professional mechanics and hardcore automotive enthusiasts. Rapid pump exclusive dual parallel pump system lifts with far fewer pumps. Universal joint release provides precise load control in any handle position. Foot pedal for fast, hassle-free pumping. 2-piece knurled aluminum handle for a sure grip. Equipped with foam bumper to prevent damage to vehicle finish. Extra wide steel casters for stability. Low profile for easy placement under custom vehicles. Hiscar Lift. Hiscar Lift is the only known lift of its kind designed to be brought to the vehicle versus the other way around. With its optional attachments and accessories, this lift becomes a one-for-all tool for your garage. Using the basic operation of the common floor jack as a model, Hiscar Lift raises your 2.000 kilograms vehicle up to 26 inches off the ground in less than 90 seconds using a simple electric hand drill. Its freestanding open design giving you total access to the underside of your vehicle. Benpack MD6XP Mid-Rise Scissor Lift. Boost productivity in your auto body shop or home garage with the Benpack 6,000 pounds portable mid-rise scissor lift. This mid-rise scissor lift has a sleek design that enables it to fit narrower bays without taking up too much floor space. This state-of-the-art Benpack car lift is outfitted with adjustable arm assemblies and has a multi-position safety lock bar so that the lifts offer the right flexibility for optimum results. It is easy to adjust the lift to any secure position you want. The Benpack MD6XP Mid-Rise Scissor Lift comprises a portable power unit and cart. Built to support the vehicle frame, this scissor lift offers you a smooth lifting experience. Whether you're working on a light truck or car, use this portable Benpack scissor lift to deliver the power you need to raise it to the level you want. It is safe for use, stays durable and enhances productivity. G-Buin Pulleyman. The Pulleyman is a portable winch that can hoist up to 600 kilograms. The Pulleyman has no cable drum, but the cable is led through the winch. Due to this, there is no limitation on the length of the wire rope. The Pulleyman can be used by simply attaching the swivel hook to any construction available. There is no electricity needed. One can just simply use a cordless drill to lift and or pull loads up to 3,000 kilograms. Beatbuster XP455. The Beatbuster XP455 was designed to work on even the most difficult tires, which means it can make quick work of all general aviation light aircraft tires. An innovative new design requires no adjustment for different sized rims and no floor space required to set up. Precise, powerful control will ensure professional results without damaging rims. Change your own tires whenever and wherever you want. Weight 3 pounds, dimensions 6 by 6 by 1.75 inches. Thank you, and don't forget subscribe, like and share.